Hello friends, in this learn everything to create your own beautiful website. This is a course designed by Vidyasagar Academy, and we shall see the course overview, that what you will actually learn in this course. First, you will learn how to plan to make a website, how to find out an attractive title, then how to find out the punchline, how to use particular photos to decorate your website. For example, Vidyasagar Academy is the title, and trusted name in education is the punchline. So we shall guide you how to effectively create your title of the website and the punchline as well. Then we shall tell you about how to chalk out the plan of your entire website. So systematic plan, how to write it in MS Word, Microsoft Word format with proper headings, heading 1, heading 2 and heading 3, 4, like that. So that if as you give the number of headings, naturally your website will be much more adorable by Google itself, and the Google will find your website more quickly, and Google will suggest your website to the internet visitors and internet surfers when they type a particular keyword, and if that keyword matches with the content of your website, then automatically your website will be ranked to the higher link of the Google search pages. So all these arts we shall tell you in this course. How to select photos, because photos make your website very beautiful, but sometimes what happens, the enthusiastic website designer takes a number of different photos with a very large size, and these large size photos cannot be properly downloaded by the visitors, so your website becomes very slow. And if the website becomes slow, then naturally the visitor doesn't uh, stop at your website, and he leaves that website. So the bouncing rate of your website increases, and if the bouncing rate of your website increases, then Google ignores your website. So we shall explain and guide you how to use particular photos with engaging and attractive content. Regarding that, we shall explain you. If you visit this website here, it is yashvidyasagar.com website, then this website will give you the idea that how to uh, create a particular website particularly for the teachers or the students, or as a personal website, because this website is the personal website which shows that uh, the entire content and achievements and activities and all these things are properly explained and displayed in this website. So if you visit this website, you will come to know that what should be the entire plan of your website, and how you should concentrate and focus on a particular point, and um accordingly create your website in that particular way. So that we shall see, and therefore it will be quite good enough to go for a very great qualitative website. Now in this course you will learn how to create website and design website, and uh, beautify your website with WordPress. WordPress is the best possible solution to create a website on the WordPress platform, because 37% of the entire web on the internet is built on WordPress. 37%. It is not a small number. You can build a site, sell your stuff. If you are a teacher or a businessman, you can sell your notes, you can sell your products and all that. that you will learn in this course. And the building of the website is extremely simple with WordPress. Create any kind of website and you don't need to understand coding, no manuals, no limits, and no such coding rubbish and all that. You don't have to type anything. You just have to click here and there and create beautiful websites. Stand out with professionally designed themes means you will have a very professional touch in your website. No matter your website or your style, there's a beautiful pro layout waiting for you. There are large number of pre-planned styles and themes available with WordPress, which you can use to beautify your website and make it so engaging and attractive that the visitors will be compelled to wait on your website, surf the entire content, go through the entire content, and then naturally they will be attracted permanently to your website. Now, building website with WordPress, these are the tasks which we will learn in this course. And these tasks start with design without a designer. You may not be necessarily a designer to design your website. How to create beautiful photos and then galleries and maps and all that. Build with blocks means whenever the web page of your website will open, you will learn to create different blocks in columns or in long blocks or in alerts and colored blocks and all that you will learn. Insert different text, insert forms, reviews, testimonials and maps and all that. Then you can grow your website without limits. This is one great peculiarity of WordPress. So as you just go on expanding your website content, there is no problem of limit within the website whenever it is launched on the platform of WordPress. You can get a bigger and better audience for your website. There are infinite combinations and infinite possibilities with which you can build and beautify your website. There are a lot of plugins, themes, and number of applications with which we will learn how to make our website more and more compelling for the visitors. Now, the most important thing about making a website, and uh, Google should love our website. So we shall understand different points and try to make practical experimentations on that. You will learn in this course that how to make your website lovable, particularly by Google. So those tips and tricks and the untold facts will be taught in this course. Actually, what you will learn, that we shall see how to add users in your website so that greater number of persons will work on it. Sometimes it may be required that you are actually building your website, but you want to add some users for support purpose. Then you can distribute your work among among your users. Those users will take some responsibility of your website and will continue to work together. So you can create a teamwork in your website on this particular platform. Then media photos, how to embed media photos. Then create a downloading for your students and create videos, embed the videos and audio files. Then create tags, which are actually the keywords which will be searched by the different persons who want to visit your website on Google. So all these things, the tips and tricks will be you will learn in this course. So how to set your website for international clock and all that, so that there will be no daytime saving and all that you will learn. You will also learn to use widgets. Widgets is one simple block that beautifies your website. You can add a small content in that widget and tell something focused content, tell with something focused content to your users and the visitors. You can create how to create beautiful collapsible menus. Whenever the website will be opened, somebody visits your homepage, then he will come across the menu first. So in that menu, you can enter a number of different posts and pages, the entire content of your website. So that should be collapsible. Someone takes the mouse on that particular menu and search for the required content and will be able to go to that particular page on your website. So that will be quite helpful in order to provide a catered form of your entire content of your website. So that we shall see on this. Then this is one bonus part in this entire course. Introduction to CSS. CSS is a very powerful coding style. You can, of course, while learning this course, if you get bored with this CSS, you can simply skip it, no problem. But I insist that you must go through this CSS as well. It is customized style sheet. That we shall see what is CSS. Because CSS gives you a powerful tool in order to beautify your website. So that we shall see how to add buttons, how to add alerts and the scrolling notices and all that, so that the content of your web page, site, entire website will be engaging. And finally, we have to see that how to add logo to your website, create contact page, then how to add polls and subscription forms, then how to copy a post. Sometimes it happens that you created a post or an article on your website and you want to repeat a part of that content of the previous post. Then you can simply copy that post and edit the new post with the previous content somewhat that will be already included into that post. So we shall see each and every step in this, how to go with it. So we insist, register to the course now and start learning in simple steps to create your own beautiful website. You have to learn this course within 3 to 4 days, and after that, if you practice on different steps of this course, then within a week possibly you will be able to design your own website. If you practice on the content of this course, then along with the course itself, you will be able to create your own website very easily. So thank you all of you for watching, and now we are waiting for your registration. Thank you.